YESS MEGHALAYA, a flagship program of the government, is celebrating its successful completion of first year today. The scheme, titled as Youth Engagement Through Empowered Youth Organizations, launched in July 2022, has made huge impact amongst our youth organizations. In the last 1 year, the government has disbursed Rs 4.5 crore to about 1,300 plus youth groups. Speaking at the program, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said that the positive energy of the youth needs to be channelized, and through YESS MEGHALAYA, the youth were given the opportunity to pursue their passion to make a difference. The Chief Minister also launched My Hero campaign and released the revised guidelines for YESS MEGHALAYA. Through My Hero campaign, the government will recognize role models in the state and inspire the youth.
You would be able to see that YESS MEGHALAYA program would then even be more successful. Then the youths will be able to really use this fund to be able to have training programs, have their own tournaments, buy materials for their groups, so on and so forth. And I'm happy that now the YESS MEGHALAYA program is even more broader. If you remember, we had started entrepreneurship and giving the Entrepreneur of the Month, where we felt that if you recognize people who are doing good in our society, not only does it motivate the person who's doing it, but it also motivates others to be like that person.